In Greek mythology, the Trojan War was waged against the city of Troy by the Athenians or Greeks after Paris of Troy took Helen from her husband Menelaus, king of Sparta. The war is one of the most important events in Greek mythology and has been narrated through many works of Greek literature, most notably through Homer's Iliad. The war originated from a quarrel between the goddesses Athena, Hera, and Aphrodite, when Iris, the goddess of strife and discord, gave them a golden apple, sometimes known as the apple of discord, marked for the fairest. Zeus sent the goddesses to Paris, who judged the Aphrodite as the fairest should receive the apple. In exchange, Aphrodite made Helen the most beautiful of all women and wife of Menelaus, fell in love with Paris, who took her to Troy. Paris, under the guise of a supposed diplomatic mission, went to Sparta to get Helen and bring her to Troy. Before Helen could look up to see him entering the palace, she was shot with arrow from Eros or Cupid and fell in love with Paris when she saw him, and Paris took her to Troy. Menelaus and her ally Odysseus traveled to Troy where they unsuccessfully sought to recover Helen by diplomatic means. Agamemnon, king of Mycenae and the brother of Helen's husband Menelaus, led an expedition of Achaean troops to Troy and besieged the city for 10 years because of Paris' insult. After the death of many heroes, including the Achaean Achilles and Ajax and the Trojans Hector and Paris, the city fell to the ruse of Trojan horse. The Achaeans slaughtered the Trojans except for some of the women and children whom they kept or sold as slaves, and desecrated the temples, thus earning the gods' wrath. Few of the Achaeans returned safely to their homes, and many founded colonies in distant shores.